How to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you would like to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure you basically launch Cash App on your device. And once you launch Cash App, if you want to transfer Bitcoin, make sure you have Bitcoin. And then you just come to this home, which is the dollar page here. Now you'll have USD or UK euros selected by default. Now you want to transfer Bitcoin, not dollars, but Bitcoin. So you have to change this currency by tapping on it once to Bitcoin over here. And once you tap on Bitcoin, you'll find the option to make transaction. Now, because in my case, I don't have Bitcoin, it will ask me to buy it. But if you do, then you'll be able to transfer the Bitcoin, enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin you want to send to the Bitcoin addresses, and make sure you paste the wallet address, and you'll be able to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. This way you can transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.